Across many urban and suburban landscapes, signs of decay are visible. Overgrown sidewalks, abandoned houses, graffiti-stained walls, broken street lamps, and neighborhoods that don't feel safe to walk at night. At first glance, these might seem like isolated issues, but they can also be seen as tangible evidence of a deeper phenomenon: the behavioral sink. The term behavioral sink comes from scientific studies, John B. Calhoun, of animals, mice, living in overcrowded or stressful environments. Researchers observed that as social conditions deteriorated, overpopulation, deprivation, chaos, animals displayed maladaptive behaviors, social breakdown, and neglect of their environment. While originally a concept in animal studies, many thinkers see it as a metaphor for human societies experiencing systemic disintegration. When communities are neglected, houses left vacant, streets overrun with weeds, graffiti, broken infrastructure, it's not just about physical decay. It's a visual and visceral sign that social bonds are fraying. Investment is waning, and collective well-being is suffering. These environments often correlate with higher crime rates, reduced community engagement, and a sense of insecurity. They become self-perpetuating cycles. Neglect leads to disorder, which discourages investment, leading to further decay. Living in or near disrepair can have profound psychological effects. It can foster feelings of helplessness, alienation, and mistrust, factors that further erode community cohesion. When neighborhoods look and feel unsafe, residents may withdraw, businesses close, and the social fabric unravels even more. This cycle mirrors the mice studies of Universe 25. Social disintegration led to maladaptive behaviors that, in turn, accelerated decay. What causes neighborhoods to fall into this state? Often, we are looking at systemic issues: economic decline, lack of investment, neglect by authorities, social policies. All of these play significant roles. In many cases, these physical signs of neglect, they symbolize broader societal disconnection, where resources and attention are diverted away from communities that need them most. It's a feedback loop. Systemic failure breeds disorder, and that, in turn, reinforces social and economic decline. So what do we do? What can be done? Well, we can address the symptoms, but that requires more than quick fixes. Restoring neighborhoods, it involves investing in infrastructure, community programs, and strengthening the social cohesion. It's about fostering a sense of ownership and pride, rebuilding trust, creating environments where people feel safe and valued. Recognizing these signs as symptoms of a societal behavioral sink, it can motivate us to look at the bigger picture: how systemic neglect impacts the social fabric and what steps we can take to heal it. Neighborhood decay isn't just an aesthetic issue. It's a mirror reflecting the health of our society. The signs are clear: neglect, disorder, disconnection. If we want communities to thrive, we have to address the underlying causes and work together to restore the social bonds that hold us all together. You see, when neighborhoods flourish, society as a whole can begin to heal. All right, another rant down the drain of the behavioral sink. You all get out of here. You take a walk in your neighborhood, maybe, but be safe, all right? Thanks for stopping by. Feel free to leave a comment on your way out if you found anything useful. please take a moment. You can like, share, subscribe. You can even ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, this is Katatu saying so long from Universe 26. This is your channel at the end of the universe.